This tech tip is saving to the cloud in Teams. Office 365 has all sorts of options for collaboration. I'll show you how to save a file to a cloud folder so you can share and collaborate with others. First off, I'm going to show you what not to do. I've got this Excel file on my computer. I'm going to save it to the cloud. I'm going to go File and then Save As. Now, this is where I think it gets kind of dicey. This is really not the simplest way to do it. It's more of an intermediate or advanced way. You can share it to your OneDrive. You can share it to sites, but I think it's kind of confusing the way they have it laid out. The way I'm going to recommend to you to do it is inside of Teams. Here I am inside Teams, and I'm going to show you what I think is the easy way to upload a file to the cloud. So I've got my training sheet 1 right over here, and I'm inside of this team called Residential Indiana in a general channel. Every channel starts with posts and files. There's a file section in every channel, and you can create new folders inside of this file section however you want to. But I'm just going to take this training sheet 1 and drag it right over here, and then it's going to upload it, and there it is right there. Now I have my file inside of a folder that anybody that is in this team, the Residential Indiana team, is going to be able to see, and I can share it from inside of there. Now I want to show you how to share this file once you've got it in this folder, and there's a few different ways you can do it. Number one, you can just tell somebody that it's in Residential Indiana team in the general channel, and then they can search for it in there. Or you can give them the file name, and they can go into this search up here, or also go into files, and there's a search in there, type in the file name, and it'll come up as long as they have access to it. Or you can click on the 3 dots right here and then go to copy link, and then copy this link right here, and you can paste it inside of a message or an email or any other way, and it'll take them right to this particular file. The last thing I want to show you is what it looks like when you open up this file. Now that I know where it is, I can just click on the name of the file, and it's going to open it up in Excel. It's the web version of Excel, which opens up inside of Teams. I can edit it right here inside of Teams, or I can open it in the desktop app by clicking this button. When I open it in the desktop app, it's going to open it in the app that I'm familiar with. You may not be familiar with the web version of the app. It's a little bit different from the desktop version. And see, now it's in the desktop version just like normal. I would click on Edit Workbook right here, and you can work on it however you want to. When you save it using this button right up here, it's not going to save it to your computer unless you go to File and then Save As. But instead, it's going to save it again, a different copy of it, update that version of it that it has on the cloud in that cloud folder you open it up from. I'm John Weldy, your tech trainer. If something isn't working right and you need technical support, you can always contact the help desk. helpdesk@nntg.com. If you have a question for me, if you'd like to set up some technical training, or if you have an idea for another tech tip, the best way to contact me is on Microsoft Teams, John Weldy, W-E-L-D-Y. Or you can email me, jweldy@nntg.com.